Dominoes and Other Stories from the Puerto Rican, written by Jack Agueeros. Jack Agueeros was born in New York City in 1934. He was the son of Puerto Rican immigrants. His mom was a seamstress, and his father, a former policeman in Puerto Rico, was in the US a merchant mariner. As a writer, he had published poetry, plays, and children's stories, as well as some novels. Although his written works deal with the struggles of being Puerto Rican in New York, including racism and poverty, they had been broadcasted on television for Sesame Street and WNBC TV Channel 4. For almost 10 years, he was director of the Museo del Barrio in East Harlem, the only Puerto Rican museum in the US. He passed away in 2014 at the age of 80. This book, Dominoes and Other Stories from the Puerto Rican, is a collection of short stories. Dominoes is about 4 Puerto Rican men who are playing dominoes on the sidewalk in East Harlem. While they are playing dominoes, a violent quarrel erupts, leaving one man dead and another man marked for life. The book and its stories are notable for the insight that it gives into the aspects of the Puerto Rican culture, such as the concept of machismo. The book also presents the theme of fate versus free will. This book, Dominoes and Other Stories from the Puerto Rican, is a unique window on the untold stories of the lives of Puerto Rican Americans. With a phenomenal richness of detail, Jack Agueeros brings the reality of the Puerto Rican experience in New York fully to life. These stories span the decades of the 1940s through the 1990s, and he recreates the barrio in all its multifaceted immensity, with its games of dominoes, knife fights, and junkies rap, and its successful stories of craftsmen and entrepreneurs. These short stories convey hard, bittersweet experiences, but throughout Jack Agueeros' artistry and unyielding compassion that affirms quiet moments of grace and triumph in common and ordinary struggles. The real stuff of literature. Thanks for watching.